Racing just is started. We have Senorita Alessi break quickly to start. Rushing up down on the inside is Devoted Minstrel. Jamal comes next. Be My Queen Salim. Then comes Canadian Girl, City Girl just in time. Bo Erin. Then followed by Mr. Classmate. Don Vicente comes next while Pot Slub is the early trailer by about 16 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Devoted Minstrel. Canadian Girl is running by the rail. Senorita Alessi is racing in third. Be My Queen is done in fourth. Then next online is Salim. Then on the inside, Jamal just in time. Bo Erin, Mr. Classmate, City Girl. Then next online is Pot Slab. While Don Vicente now running at the tail of the field. Inside the 3 Octavo, we have Devoted Minstrel. Salim, Be My Queen, Senorita Alessi, Mr. Classmate is done in pip just in time. Then next online now is entry 4, and this one is Jamal, Bo Erin, Mr. Classmate. City Girl comes next, Pot Slab. Well done, Vicente now racing in less as they swing for home. Two runners firing out for the lead. Be My Queen running by the release, Salim. Be My Queen, Salim, Be My Queen, party out for the lead. Be My Queen, Salim, Be My Queen, Salim, Be My Queen, Salim. We have Be My Queen now doing the better over Salim. Then comes just in time, Bo Erin. Then comes Senorita Alessi, Canadian Girl.
Ano nga ulit, Coach? 9